Patuloy na sinisikap ng pamahalaan na maibsan ang pasanin ng mga consumer sa kabila ng issue sa presyo ng kuryente. Ayon kay Pangulong Aquino, masusing pinag-aaralan ng pamahalaan ang panukalang pagkakaroon ng subsidiya at paggamit ng Malampaya Fund. Git ng Pangulo, dapat na ayon pa rin sa batas ang solusyon para na rin sa interes ng mamamayan.
There is a bill pending in Congress right now, in the Senate in particular, filed by Senator Trillanes, that will authorize us to use Malampaya funds, for instance, to go into repairing the grid in the transmission line. In the recent Supreme Court decision narrows us down to exploration and exploitation. Yeah? Now, yung exploitation portion naman, the national government, especially NAPOCOR, cannot go into power generation under IPIRA. Wala na rin tayo doon sa distribution. No? So, para natira yung exploration, medyo napaka-unworkable. The fund is substantial. It's over 100 billion, yung Malampaya Fund. Pag sinabi mong exploration, tayo maghahanap. Pero marami ng private entities willing na i-risk yung capital nila to be able to find the producing wells. Pag natahanap natin, exploit, pero hindi tayo pwede pumunta sa power generation, hindi tayo pwede pumunta sa distribution. Parang in church, parang sinasabi ata, hindi na natin gagamitin yung Malampaya Fund. That's why there is this law that will correct the presidential decree that governs how to utilize the Malampaya Fund.